Have you ever tried to change just one page to landscape in Microsoft Word, but suddenly all the pages change to landscape? Don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use both portrait and landscape pages in the same Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Here, you can see that all the pages in my document are currently in portrait orientation. Now, let's say I want to change only my second page to landscape. If I simply go to the Layout tab, click Orientation, and select Landscape, Word may change the orientation of all the pages. But we don't want that. We only want to change a specific page. So here's the trick. First, select all the text on the page that you want to change. Now, go to the Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Page Setup dialog box. Here, under Orientation, select Landscape. But don't click OK just yet. At the bottom, you'll find the Apply to option. Click the drop-down and select Selected Text. Now click OK, and boom! Only the selected page has changed to landscape, while the other pages remain in portrait orientation. Pretty useful, right? Now let's look at another situation. Suppose I have several pages, and I want the last 3 pages of my document to be landscape. In this case, we don't need to select all the text on every page. Simply place your cursor at the beginning of the page from where you want the orientation to change. For example, if I want the last 3 pages to be landscape, I'll place my cursor at the beginning of that section. Now go to the Layout tab and open Page Setup. Change the orientation to landscape. And this time, under Apply to, select this point forward. Click OK. See that? All the pages from that point forward are now landscape. This is a very useful option when you're working with a long document. Now let's try another example. Suppose my document has several landscape pages, but I want to add a portrait back cover, just like my first page. How can we do that? For this, we need to use a section break. Place your cursor at the end of the last landscape page. Then go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks. Under Section Breaks, select Next Page. This creates a new section starting on the next page. Now go back to Layout Orientation and select Portrait. Boom! Our new page is now Portrait, while the previous pages remain Landscape. So now we can have Portrait, Landscape, and Portrait pages all within the same Word document. This is especially useful for creating reports, projects, books, brochures, manuals, and professional documents where some pages may need more horizontal space. Now, you might be wondering, how did I view so many pages together on my screen? It's very simple. Go to the View tab, then click Multiple Pages. You can also adjust the zoom level using the zoom slider at the bottom right corner of Word. Now you can easily see multiple pages at the same time and check how your portrait and landscape pages look together. So, let's quickly recap what we learned today. If you want to change a specific page, select its text and use Apply to selected text. If you want to change the orientation from a certain point onward, use Apply to this point forward. And if you want precise control over different sections of your document, use Layout Breaks Next Page to create a new section. Then you can choose Portrait or Landscape independently for that section. Once you understand these options, working with mixed page orientations in Microsoft Word becomes really easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more useful Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.